welcome back to my channel. I would like to wish you all a very happy Diwali, and I am back here with a look, and this is the look that I came up with. It has a little bit of twist with it. So let me just show you something. Look at it. Ta-da-da. So this is their secret box that I've received from Maybelline few days back. So I have few products inside this box which I am going to show you, and using those products I've created this look. Let's just see what's inside this. It is for Diwali and it says setup light up, and Maybelline has सच्ची मुच्ची का मेरा दिवाली का setup light up कर दिया है. So I have products out here as you can see. So the box content में थोड़ा सा आप लोगों को बता देती हूँ. So I have this loose powder out here and also a setting powder. I have a highlighter over here and a blush. Basically they have sent me an entire kit. You can see a makeup kit using which you can create different looks. So you can categorize into 3 levels of makeup, like the beginner's makeup, and second level of makeup is intermediate, where you are in the middle, and the third level of makeup is the advanced level. Their products are so versatile that you can use it in any level. Can you see how versatile Maybelline products are? Doesn't matter if you are a beginner or a pro, you can find your perfect match in Maybelline. So today I will be creating makeup look for the advanced level, but if you want you can go for the beginners with the same products as well, and also for intermediate. And in today's look I am creating this beautiful Assamese look, wearing this beautiful Assamese pator mekhela, and I'm also wearing this beautiful Assamese traditional jewelry which is complementing the entire look. Today I'm not only going to create this beautiful makeup for this Diwali, but also going to play a game with Maybelline, which is Never Have I Ever. So I have some questions out there. I have written all of the questions into this sheets and mix all the questions out here and keep it in this ball, as you can see. So as I do the makeup, I will be picking one of these sheets and answering the questions, where all of the questions are written in the form Never Have I Ever. It will be really fun. So if you want to know what are the questions out there and what were my answers, let's just go and start the tutorial. So I will be playing Never Have I Ever. I will also be doing my makeup along with it using the Maybelline secret box. So now let's just start it. So the very first product that I'm going to use out here, the concealing part, as I always do. So for that I'm using this concealers. I have 2 concealers out there by Maybelline, which is their Age Rewind concealer. I'll be using the shade Caramel. Now I will be applying it like this. Okay, this is of my shade. ओके, सो इसको थोड़ा सा पॉज करके हम एक चिट उठा लेते हैं यहाँ से और देखते हैं कि क्या होता है. तो या लेट मी जस्ट ओपन दिस वन एंड सी व्हाट्स इनसाइड दिस. There's something like this. There is written something like this: Never have I ever done a glitter eye look. कुछ दिन पहले तक ना ये सही हो जाता कि like yes, I've never used it, but I think it's very recent when I did my glitter eye look for the first time. I've never done it before. Like I got so many requests to do it. Like a lot of the people say glitter eye look कीजिए आप. DMs में भी मुझे बोला गया, and then along with that I also get requests in the comment section as well to create glitter eye look, but मैंने कभी किया नहीं था. और to be very honest मुझे थोड़ा डर भी लगा था कि if I would be able to create the glitter eye look or not. तो फिर recently, और मेरे पास glitter eye shadows थे भी नहीं पहले, okay, तो इसीलिए मैंने नहीं किया था. So I was doing a series where I was creating makeup look for Durga Puja, and there I did that glitter eye look for the first time. So yeah, that was my answer. So yeah, so I'm done with the concealer. Now I'm going in with the foundation, and for that I am using this foundation. Yeah, this is how it looks, and I am in the shade, I think, 312 Golden. And also apply a little bit to the neck as well. एक और चिट ले लेते हैं और देखते हैं what's the next one. It says, never have I ever overlined my lips. Yes, I did. I have. For the very first time जब मैंने overline किया था, I was doing a makeup for Frozen, and at that point of time I did on myself I did overline my lips. And as Disney princesses usually have fuller lips, so to recreate that I did overline my lips, and I really liked the result back then, and so I decided to do it for my other tutorials or other looks as well whenever it's required, you know. So I'll also need a little bit to cover up my neck. You can see the difference. Now I'm gonna set my under eye. For that I'm using this Fit Me Loose powder.
But before that, let me just do another Never Have I Ever, and taking one chip down here. Let's just see what's nice. Never have I ever used a liquid highlighter.
I did use it. In fact, जो मेरा पहला liquid highlighter था ना, वो था Maybelline का. वो जो Maybelline Liquid Glow. That was my first ever, you know, like liquid highlighter, and I pretty much liked that. So I'll be taking with the help of this and then gonna press it. I really love using this powder to set my under eyes. I feel it is just perfect. You can see the difference for yourself, you know, it's so good. Okay, so where I was, to be very honest, I'm not a fan of liquid highlighter. I prefer you know, like powder highlighter more, but I like liquid highlighter to apply whenever I am going for a very natural look and I want a very skin-like finish. Yeah, so that's pretty much it with the answer. Now we are gonna move on to set my face. So for that I'm using this Fit Me Press powder, as you can see, and it comes with its own puff, you can see, and also has a beautiful mirror along with it, and just gonna give a gentle press to it. Now coming to the contour part, for that I'm using this contour shade. Now before we proceed further, let me just take another cheat and see कि गेम में नेक्स्ट क्या है. वैसे मुझे तो बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है ये गेम खेल के. डू लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन आप सबको कैसा लग रहा है.
So our next question is, never have I ever used a setting spray.
ये भी कोई क्वेश्चन हुआ. सेटिंग स्प्रे इज समथिंग which I use, I think, almost in every makeup look I do. Like even if it is for everyday kind of, I use it. I kind of feel like setting spray sets the entire makeup and make it seems very, very natural, and that is why I always use setting spray and I never skip on that. Blush. So I have this Fit Me blush with me. This has the right amount of pigment, not too pigmented, but also not very sheer. So it is buildable. So I'll be taking one from here, which is this. Let's see what question comes up, and then we're gonna set the face. Never have I ever applied foundation on my neck. I just did. Just kidding. I applied it before also. Before I proceed further, let me tell you, I'm gonna spray a little spray on my face because to set the base, that's what I usually do. So the answer to that question is that I usually don't like to apply foundation to my neck, but sometimes I do need, just like today, the neck and the face wasn't matching, so to match that up I had to apply. But अगर ये दो match कर रहा होता then I would never have applied the foundation to my neck. There is a reason behind that. The reason is that to remove the makeup of neck I feel little lazy, so that is why I don't like to. But whenever I do makeup to others I really do apply foundation to the neck just so the color matches, you know. Now the next step is for the eye makeup, and for that I am using this City Mini palette. It has a brush along with it too. Before we start our eye makeup, to have the conversation, let me just take another check from here. Never have I ever baked my face. अगर इसमें पूरा फेस का बात किया गया हो ना देन आई हैव नेवर डन इट, लाइक पूरा फेस तो बेक नहीं किया. येस, बट फॉर माई अंडर आइज आई डिड, बट वेरी लेस. मैं ज़्यादातर सेट करना पसंद करती हूँ रादर देन बेक. सेट ज़्यादातर करती हूँ बट ऐसा नहीं है कि नहीं किया है. आई डू इट समटाइम्स. So that is it with the question answering, I think. So I think I should be creating a cut crease with these shadows. So yeah, let me do it. Let me just pick a chip and do it. Never have I ever contoured my nose on my own. मैं अपना सारा मेकअप खुद करती हूँ, तो कॉन्टूर भी डेफिनेटली खुद ही करूँगी. Like I generally don't like to, but some looks do require it, and उसका जो look का मतलब जो contour करने के बाद nose बहुत slim लगता है, that look is also very nice. So कुछ look में करना पड़ता है, but I suck at it. I mean I suck at it. So I'm still learning it, and I hopefully one day I will be contouring my nose like a surgeon. I think I'll be taking this color. This would match the look, I think, and with the help of my fingers I feel this kind of, oh, the shade looks so pretty. I will be taking, I think, this shade. I am taking this shade again using a smaller blending brush to the outer corner. And then I'm going to take this shade with the flat shadow brush and I'm going to apply it to 1/3 of my eye. Okay, the next step to apply a liner, and for that I'm using this line tattoo. Now before I move forward, let me just pick, I have two left with me, let me just continue with the game. So never have I ever done a bridal look on myself. Okay, that's something very interesting question. Like, I am a makeup artist. If you all don't know, I do bridal makeup and all sorts of makeup, for others. But I have done like bridal shoots and all for others. Okay, but I never did bridal makeup on myself. So the answer to this question is I have never. मेरा फंडा कैसा है? Like I will be a bride life में एक बार ही. I want to be surprised seeing myself in that bridal attire, in a bridal makeup. I don't want to know how will I be looking like a bride. I don't want to reveal the look to myself. मुझे नहीं देखना है अपने आप को in a bridal look before I be the actual bride. if you can understand. So that is why I've never done a bridal look on myself. And जब तक मैं एक सचमुच की ब्राइड नहीं बन जाती तब तक I will never be a bride. And I think that answers a lot of you, like, who always ask me to be a bride. And then I'm gonna take this brush and then let's smudge it. So you can see I'm done with applying the mascara. This one is their Maybelline Molten Gold highlighter, and now do this. This has a golden sheen to it, and like, such a beautiful product it is. Now the last step is to apply the lipstick, but before that I am left with one chit. Let's just see what's inside this chit. Never have I ever done body makeup on myself. No, I haven't. Like, I did the makeup or applied a foundation up till here, like to my neck. I've never applied foundation to my hands or anywhere else. I did a shoot with, I told you, one of my friend. She applied makeup to my stomach as well, because, you know, to match the shade, because that was exposing. And I also do it to my client, whichever area is exposing, so that it looks same, you know. But on myself I don't do it usually, because I don't like the feeling of makeup to my other parts of the body apart from the face. But yeah, so that's that. Now for the lipstick. So these are the lipstick option that I have, perfect for the outfit that I'm wearing today. So I'm just gonna apply this one. This is their 170 Initiator. So the outfit that I'm wearing today is called Mekhla Chadar, and it's the material is called Pat. You must have heard about Mekhla Chadar earlier. If you haven't, so this is what it looks like. It's sometimes people call it Assamese half sari as well, but I would prefer calling it Mekhla Chadar, and I would also love if you would call it Mekhla Chadar as well, because half sari is, you know, something different. So yeah, that is it with today's video, you guys. I hope you guys liked it, and if you want to check out any of the products, then the links will be in the description box, so be sure to check that out and purchase your product. Subscribe to my channel, give this video a very big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and comment down below. That's it. I'll be seeing you guys with my next tutorials or video or review in my next video. Till then, bye, take care, and I love you.